Good day everyone. My name is Cherhel Angong and my topic is Customer Relationship Management and Benefits of Using CRM in Hospitality Industry. Customer Relationship Management or CRM. CRM has become one of the hottest topics of interest in both the academic and practical across multiple disciplines. The current economic climate, increase in population, the emergence of business, and the arrival of the interest have all made business environment very competitive and CRM very crucial to organizational performance in public, private, and non-profit sectors. CRM has become a key strategy for personalizing the customer experience and improving customer satisfaction and retention, particularly in hotels. To do this, hotel managers should exert effective leadership and motivate their employees to engage with the strategy. CRM is a powerful management tool that can be used to exploit sales potential and maximize the value of the customer to the hospitality industry. In long term, CRM produces continuous scrutiny of the hospitality businesses with the customer, thereby increasing the value of the customer's business. Hospitality sector's greatest assets are their knowledge of their customers. They can use this asset and turn it into a competitive advantage by retaining those customers who represent the highest lifetime value and profitability. They can develop customer relationships across a broad spectrum of touch points such their franchise branches. Simply implementing a solution intended to achieve organizational goals is not enough to achieve CRM success. CRM is a technology that allows businesses both large and small to organize, automate, and synchronize every facet of customer interaction. CRM examples includes marketing, sales, customer service, and support. Benefits of using CRM in hospitality industry. CRM has some obvious benefits for the hotel industry, but these are not especially different than they are for any other industry. The principal benefits that come to mind are fairly obvious. Increase customer satisfaction and retention, increase repeat business, increase share of category spend, increase likelihood of referral business. These results come from a strategy of strengthening customer relationship by constantly providing customer value leading to satisfaction. Business benefits of CRM. Implementing a customer relationship management solution might involve considerable time and expense. However, there are many potential benefits. A major benefit can be the development of better relations with your existing customers, which can lead to increased sales through better timing by anticipating needs based on historic trends. Identifying needs more effectively by understanding specific customer requirements. Cross-selling of other products by highlighting and suggesting alternatives or enhancements. Identifying which of your customers are profitable and which are not. This can lead to better marketing of your products or services by focusing on effective targeted marketing communications aimed specifically at customer needs. A more personal approach and the development of new or improved products and services in order to win more businesses in the future. Ultimately, this could also lead to enhanced customer satisfaction and retention, ensuring that your good reputation in the marketplace continues to grow. Increase value from your existing customers and reduce costs associated with supporting and servicing them, increasing your overall efficiency and reducing total cost of sales. Improve profitability by focusing on the most profitable customers and dealing with the unprofitable in more cost-effective ways. That's all, and thank you for watching and listening.